All right, turn.
Hey guys, welcome back to Ryan Sky's YouTube channel. Excuse my voice, I'm scratchy as usual, but I just wanted to give you guys a quick look at the tape-in extensions I just recently did on my daughter Jada. I absolutely love this method. It is definitely my new favorite. I feel like it adds so much density so easily. I like the actual extensions we use, which we will be adding to our website very soon, davhair.com, which I will also add in the description below. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I will be doing more videos on tape-ins as I learn more and as I do them more. This was my first install, and I did not find it to be extremely difficult. Once you get a method down, it's pretty simple. And again, I'll share more as I learn more, but I love this method. So as you can see, I'm just taking very thin slices of her natural hair. I want to sandwich it in between the tape-ins, and I'm just using the brick lane pattern. And I just, like I said, I love the density this added to her hair as opposed to other methods, and it's very versatile. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Hope you learned something. And again, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.